I don't wanna sell my soul, but the devil's been preying on me. I don't wanna lose control, but it's hard when she's all I need. Swore I wouldn't lose my mind, but as far as I can see, if we do this one more time, I'm afraid I won't